Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning subscriber, welcome. In today's video we are having a very nice video, and it's a skin whitening challenge for 3 days or 7 days or so. Or if you want it to continue, you can continue as much as you want. So I'll be making for you a recipe that will brighten up your skin or lighten up your skin and also remove marks, dark spot. You can use this recipe for your armpits, you can use it on your body, your elbows, your hands. You can use it in the surface of your skin, wherever you want to lighten up. And as for me today, I want to lighten up my face, and I'll show you how to use it using my face. And so in this recipe we are going to be using baking soda, lemon and brown sugar to make that recipe. First, lemon is a natural ingredient that it's used to lighten up. It's a natural brightener since it has citric acid in it. Baking soda will help to balance your pH, the pH of your skin, and also it will help in brightening too. Sugar, it will help you to have shiny skin, and also it will help in tightening the skin and reducing skin pores, and it's a good exfoliator. So stay tuned so you can till the end, so you can see if it will brighten up my face or not, so you can also use it on your skin. Stay tuned. So guys, we are going to make the mixture, and we are going to be using only 2 ingredients, not 2 but 3. I'm going to use this lemon, fresh lemon. Let me tell you one secret of lemon. If you want a good lemon, get the green lemon, this one. The green lemons are always the best. Then there's baking powder, baking soda, and then we are going to be using brown sugar, this one. And without wasting much time, let's go to the mixture, to the recipe. I'll be needing just one spoon of brown sugar, baking soda, this one, that's enough, and then lemon juice. So if you want to know if this thing it will work for you, you must remove that fizzy sound because of baking powder and baking soda and lemon. Baking soda will help in balancing the pH of your skin. Lemon, it will brighten your skin. Sugar, it will exfoliate your skin, and also it will help in fighting wrinkles. And in this mixture, it will brighten your face like no any other. Stop bleaching and use this my mixture, and you tell me the results later. You see, you must remove this fizzy sound. So you mix very well. You mix the mixture very well. You wait it to settle. You can see it is settling down. Then we remove the seeds. It's a lemon seed. And this is our mixture. Here you can see how it looks. Looks like this. Then, my friend, apply this mixture to whatever part of your body you want to lighten it. Either your face, your elbows, your body, your armpits, your legs, your whatever, even your bikini. You use it to lighten it. So in today's video, I'll start by testing with my hands. Wow, it is even giving my hands a shiny look, if you can see. Do this for 7 days on your skin and you'll tell me the results. Look at that. You can see the difference. Those are the two differences. This one is scrub, this one is not. You see? Yes. So guys, I'm going to use the same mixture, this one, on my face. Yes. Let's see how it will end up. And let me tell you, every time you're scrubbing your body, or every time you're scrubbing, always make sure you have washed your face with warm water and your skin is damp, as in it's wet. Never scrub on a dry face. Always wet your skin before scrubbing. Let's continue. You can also use this thing on your lips. You want pinky lips, you also love pink lips. Avoid the eyes part. If you're thinking of bleaching, please don't bleach. Use this one to lighten up your skin and to make your skin even. Mine is not even here and some parts here. So I'm trying as much as possible. And with this recipe, if you want it to work, please be consistent, as in do it regularly. And always be gentle to your face. I love how sugar lemon makes my skin look. First, lemon gives, not lemon but sugar, leaves my skin with that shiny look. As you can see, my skin has already started shining. Can you see? Wow. We are going to leave that for around 30 minutes and then we wash off and then we see the results. But before that, I'll be using a little bit lemon again. and scrub in again. As always I said, I normally scrub my lips because these are natural ingredients, they cannot harm you. Okay, that's the good thing with natural remedies. It's very hard for natural remedies to harm your skin or to harm you if you use the recipe as listed or as stated. So first, before I introduce to you any remedy, I normally go do my own research, then I come test it on myself first, then I do a video for you. Yes, that's how I do it. So trust my remedies. Yes, I'm going to leave that one for 30 minutes, or if you have time you can leave it for 1 hour. Then you wash off. So guys, I've just washed off my face. Wow, look at that. My face looks more brighter than before. Hey, I can highly recommend that. Let me come closer so you can see. Wow, wow, eh, wow. Stop bleaching. Yeah, look at that. I'm so happy, guys. Mm. Mm. Yes, yes. That's how I look. Wow. The feeling is amazing. I feel like a baby. You know how a small baby feels, the skin feels. That's how my skin is feeling right now. And as you can see, it's brighter than before. Yes. Yes. After that, guys, without wasting much time, I'll be moisturizing with this Vaseline Blue Seal as always. So and always take time to moisturize your skin. If you know, you know. Wow, I just feel amazing, guys. Just feel amazing. I just feel good. I just feel good. I just feel good. Yes. Try my challenges. Comment down below. Try and tell me if it worked for me as it has worked for me. That's my final look. Let me come closer so you can see. And what is this? I removed it. That's how you see. I removed it. Yes, that's how I look. Yes, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe down below so you can watch my videos, so you'll not miss any of my videos that I upload. Give this video a thumbs up so we can be recommended to as many viewers as possible by YouTube. And as always, stay safe, ciao.